Welcome back to TechExpress. Today we're going to walk you through the process of how you can get started by checking out the navigation menu and customize different types of navigation menu onto your Shopify store. So to get started, we need to have access to our navigation settings. This is an actual store that we have just used for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm going to sign into my Shopify store. I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description in order to get started, and you might be having access to much more elements. So once we are inside your actual element into your store, let's focus inside the Shopify Administrator dashboard. Click into Home, then hit now into Sales Channel Online Store. Into Online Store, you can focus now into the element that says Navigation. This is where you will manage all the menus from your store. So let's create a basic menu. To create a basic menu, click into this element that says Add Menu. So I'm going to click this option that says Add Menu. So give your menu a name such as main menu, add starting adding menu items. So let's assume, for example, this is my sidebar menu. And the handle is used to reference a menu liquid. Sometimes if you want to, of course, use it to edit the coding and all of that. So you can see here's the sidebar menu. So you might have home, shop, about us, and contact. So once you added here the elements or the items of your title, hit now into set menu. I'm going to hit into add menu item. And here, let's go for shop all. And now here into this element that says search or paste linked, it's going to be asking me what is the actual purpose of this item. So in this case, I want to show them all my collections of the people who wanted to check out my menu items in the shop all. Let's go for add menu item once again. Let's say that I go for home and I go for the home page. And I can do this process so on and on. So once you've finished adding all those elements you like to use for your menu, hit now into save. There we go. Congratulations. Now, once you added all the items, let's click into save once again, and let's create a drop-down menu. A drop-down menu are great for organizing your categories and subcategories. So to create a drop-down menu, go back to the main menu, and here we can create, for example, instead of going for shop all, I can go here and delete all of those elements, and let's go for collection and go for apply changes. Now inside the collections, I can create a specific collection. So for example, here choose collection, and I choose the element that says accessories. So I go for add, and I'm going to put accessories just a little bit down collections, and I'm going to drag this just a little bit to the right. So this sub collection should be added inside the collection section. So I can create more soft item inside this item, which is collection. For example, I'm going to go here once again, go for collections, and go for t-shirts, go for add. Now I have two elements added into my collections. So if you want to add a multi-level menu, are similar to the drop-down menus with additional layers. So we can create a main category such as the item, then for each main category add a subcategory, and for the subcategories need further divisions and more nested items. Now I'm going to hit into save, and let's talk a little bit about the mega menus. Now the mega menus are advanced drop-down menus that can showcase multiple categories, the subcategories, and even feature products or images. So to create a mega menu, I needed to focus inside a theme that supports this feature, such as the impose of the preset. So if I focus here into the left part that says online store, let's click into theme editor and go for customize. Now here into customize, I can look out for my header. You can see that we have now the preview of our store. I focus into the left part, and here's my template. So into my template, I wanted to look out for my header. So I'm going to unselect all of these elements until I find my header, which is in this case, here it is. So here you can add various columns and rows, including images and products. So here into the desktop menu typed, automatically optimized for your mobile, I choose the option that says mega menu. So here you can add various columns and products. You can customize the layout of the displayed comprehensive navigation panel, and sticky header, you can just use it on scroll up and check how it actually looks your mega menu. You can change this for a drawer or just a drop down. So after you finish those, let's go for save. So customize your header as you are changing all these elements directly into your store. Once you have added all of those elements, don't forget the footer. Now the well-organized footer can provide additional navigation options such as a link to the policy pages, the social media, and the contact information. So let's go back directly into the navigation. I'm going to save this. And here into navigation, we have now a footer menu. So inside this footer menu, we can add relevant links and then assign the menu to the footer section into your theme editor. Lastly, what you want to do is to just test your navigation. So crucial to test to ensure everything works smoothly. Visit your storefront and make sure it actually works correctly. You can see that there's all of these elements added into the footer. Here I can see that there's my menu bar. It actually looks really great, so everything looks correctly as it is. So guys, with that being said, you have learned how to create and customize various types of navigation menus using your Shopify store. Effective navigation is key to providing great user experience and helping your customers find what they're looking for. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Express for more tutorials and tips. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.